Furman University's Master of Arts in Strategic Design, completed in collaboration with the Miami Ad School at Portfolio Center of Atlanta, is a unique master's program that brings together the best elements of both a professional design school and an academic institution. In our creative professional environment, you'll be cultivated as a leader by industry professionals through real-world, hands-on learning experiences. You'll learn how to communicate and relate your ideas by participating in engaged projects where you will develop strategies and bring your ideas to life with real clients. You'll start with 10 weeks of courses at Furman University, with an emphasis on management and leadership strategy, along with communication theory and a liberal arts mindset. You'll then transition to Atlanta, with courses centered on design and building your portfolio. We intentionally design our class experiences to expose you to the different tools and methods used to analyze and understand both the needs of your clients and the results of your projects. The small class sizes of 10 to 15 students helps us individualize instruction and personalize attention to promote active learning while cultivating intellectual curiosity. After you graduate, you will enter the job market with hands-on professional experience, a portfolio, and an established network of industry contacts. You'll be ready to begin your creative career with some of the top businesses in the world. For more information on how you can get started, visit furman.edu/MASD.